Hey guys, I had another question related to cheese. Someone wanted to know what type of cheese should I get? Should it say natural or organic? It's just so funny though when you see the word natural, like it means nothing, okay? And even organic, that means without pesticides. But then you have grass-fed, which is even better. But then there's one step further, 100% grass-fed. And this is what you want to shoot for, because you're going to get the maximum fat-soluble vitamins, omega-3 fatty acids. You're going to get vitamin A, D, E, and definitely K2. This is a real important vitamin, especially for the transportation of calcium into the bones and out of the soft tissues. You'll also get other really good fatty acids, CLA, which is great for the immune system, inflammation, and even weight loss. DHA, EPA, it's good for the brain, it's good for the hormones, ALA. So there's all these great essential fatty acids that will help you for your brain, for the nervous system. Available calcium. So I don't recommend taking calcium supplements unless you have osteoporosis, but I like to get my calcium from cheese. Not only because I'm from Wisconsin, but because cheese is a great source of bioavailable calcium. So make sure you never go low-fat cheese. Do the whole milk cheese. And it would be an ideal scene if it could be organic and 100% grass-fed as well. But usually, if it's 100% grass-fed, it's organic. Great sources of protein, good sources of B vitamins, including B12. So some people get constipated if they consume too much cheese. So I would say 3 to 4 ounces per meal. That would be great. Hey, you know what? I just wanted to say thank you for watching these videos. You made it this far. I appreciate your attention and your precious time.